Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna present to you my brand new GoPro Max and give you a few details, as well as connecting it to my smartphone and mounting the holder on my motorcycle. Experience total creative freedom with the most versatile 360 camera. You get 3 cameras in one. Unreal spherical footage, hero style video and photos. And vlogging powerhouse that's second to none. 360 capabilities deliver amazing panoramic photos and 360 time-lapse. Featuring unbreakable stabilization, premium audio from 6 Mix, and waterproof design, this camera maximizes wow. Shoot hero mode, or go with 360 mode for stunning 6K. Unbreakable stabilization from Max Hyper Smooth. Includes GoPro Max camera case, rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mount, 2 protective lenses plus lens caps, microfiber bag, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, charging cable, C, and free SD card. Waterproof to 16 feet plus built off. Vlog to the max with 1080p live streaming. Max time warp, power pano, 4 digital lenses plus, so many other features to nail any shot. Compatible with Quik app and with over 30 mounts plus accessories. 12 voice commands let you call the shots. Shoot vertically and use short clips to create 15 or 30 second clips perfect for sharing. On-screen shortcuts get you to your favorite features with ease. Shoot jaw-dropping 360 photos plus legendary GoPro pop shots. The Quik app makes it easy to get a handle on all your content. And use refrain to easily transform mind-bending 360 footage into traditional photos and videos. GoPro Incorporated is an American technology company that manufactures action cameras and develops its own mobile apps. Founded as Timelapse Incorporated, the company eventually focused on the connected sports genre, developing its line of action cameras and, later, video editing software. It is based in San Mateo, California. The GoPro was originally designed for surfing and capturing pro camera angles. The Max succeeded the Fusion when it began shipping on October 24, 2019, alongside the Hero 8 157 compared to the Fusion. Max records to a single memory card and includes a color touchscreen that allows users to preview video. If you enjoy my videos and are not subscribed, please consider doing it. It helps me grow my hobby and motivates me to get better and better with what I do. For all subscribers, I thank you and salute you. Please feel free to like, comment and share my videos with friends. Don't forget to browse through all my videos and check all my playlists. Now let's turn it on and connect it to the Quik app. Step 1. Download the Quik app from App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the side lock and insert the battery. Step 3. Connect it to the charger and press the power button. Wait a little. Select the language you want to use. Once inside the app, turn on Bluetooth and it will automatically detect your camera. More videos about how to use the camera and videos with the camera coming soon. Give a name to your camera. And now it is connected. Now let's mount the support on my bike and find the perfect angle. Always use a disinfectant spray to remove all fat from the surface. Choose your perfect spot and press the holder with power. Personally, I like stickers on my bike, so I'm gonna do it. I use a longer stick to film me from a bigger distance. The original GoPro support with the 3M band gives you confidence that it will not drop your camera. I will stick one in the back also, for cool back videos. As always, thank you for watching, and again please support my channel and my work.